I had some leftover rice, and I love a snack, especially a quick one. So I made up these tuna rice balls. Incredibly delicious. So the first thing, I'm going to add about 2 or 3 drops of sesame oil to about 2 cups of rice. Now I'm going to add in about a sheet of dry seaweed. I'm just going to slice this up. You can crush it too. Now you can pick this up in just about any grocery store. It's around $3. Now here's the thing. Don't shut the video off. Some people don't like it. So I'm going to do up 2 different balls. I'm going to do some with seaweed and some without it. So don't get all concerned on me. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold this together. So it's well combined. Looks kind of pretty. Kind of a funny story. I said to the guy in the grocery store, I'm looking for some dried seaweed. And he just looked at me and said, "You're sick." Some people like it though. And it is okay. Okay, let's start off making our mixture with about 170 grams of tuna. And this is tuna in water. And, you know, try and get yourself a good tuna if you can. Makes all the difference in the world. And of course, I should mention too, I drained this. There we go. Next, about a 1/4 cup of mayo. Really depending on how creamy you want it. Now, I'm using Hellman's here, but you know, you can use what you like. Even Miracle Whip will do. Season this up with a little bit of garlic powder. I say about a 1/4 teaspoon. And one of my favorites, and you all know it, like that word y'all, some ground black pepper. And last but not least, about a stalk of chopped green onions. So we'll just give this a mix up. I just love tuna salad of any kind, no matter what it goes into. Okay, now the fun part. Let's make up our tuna balls. I'm going to start by spraying a bit of oil on my hands. Just makes things, you know, not stick when you roll it. Scoop up about 2 heaping tablespoons and just place it into the palm of my hand. Then I'm just going to kind of make this into a ball and press it down. Now the stickier the rice, the better, and I'll write a few suggestions in the blog just to help you out there. Now grab up about a teaspoon or 2 of our yummy tuna mixture. Place it into the center. And of course, you've got a better way of doing this. Just go ahead and do it, but this is usually the way I do it. And grab up another tablespoon, put it over the top, and I'm just going to roll this up into a ball. And I'm going to roll this around in some black sesame seeds. And if you don't have black, go ahead and use white. And if you don't have sesame seeds, you can leave it out. But doesn't that look all pretty, guys? Wow. And we'll just set this aside on a plate and you're good to go. Repeat this for the rest of the balls. So there we have it, the seaweed and the non-seaweed. I did both exactly the same way, and don't they look gorgeous? Our tuna rice balls, a quick and easy snack. Okay, tuna ball toast. Okay, let's give this a taste. These are really good. I think your guests will really love them. It's got that hint of sesame. But of course, tuna salad is so good. I just love them. It's just got that fresh pop to it. You gotta make these. So good, guys. As always, for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com, become a member. All kinds of cool stuff there. Don't forget to listen in to the radio station. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.